Welcome back. Today's another wonderful day in our travel blog, and we have a Coleman stove. We have never used this before. Today's gonna be the first day. We've been driving around with the stove for like the past 3-4 states. Finally gonna look for a park today with a grilling area, actually start cooking.
Yesterday we bought some chicken breast, some butter, and some Swiss cheese to make some sandwiches. And here comes Adonis.
These little strings here, you press it in and push. Has these hooks here. I hook them to these holes right here. You have to make sure that the gold part goes all the way to the front. So first, put it in, then turn. So it's nice and tight. Then you remove the cap. And now you're ready to cook. Now let's see how this thing lights up. You can see the flame, but it's hot. Okay, so Giselle's preparing the sandwiches.
Adonis will be in charge of doing the other meal. 4 sandwiches ready to be toasted.
Oh, you can see the flame now.
Ooh, 3 sandwiches down. Time to taste this.
Not me, I've been eating mine. But the first time ever cooking with a portable stove, I give it 100. Click the link below if you guys want to purchase this Coleman stove through Amazon. Subscribe, like, share.
Peace.
Peace and love.